So while searching and Googling a lot, I figured out that there was something known as product management and there are product roles which I can opt for. And when I took some time off from my office and researched about the course, I came across IPL's EMBA. Hi, I'm Debushmita, Senior Associate Product Manager, and essentially my role in my company is to ensure that the client's requirements are feasible, viable and desirable, and also ensure that the requirements are reaching to a successful deployment at the end of the day. So when I started looking for this role, when I figured that in my current project there was a gap of understanding the requirement and delivering it. So that's when I figured that I need to fill this gap in a way when I did not even know that there was something like a product management that exists. And while searching and Googling a lot, I figured out that there was something known as product management and there are product roles which I can opt for. And when I took some time off from my office and researched about the course, I came across IPL's EMBA. And that's when I opted for this because I found that the features that this particular program has perfectly works for me. So the three things which worked really well for me from Institute of Product Leadership are the on-campus classes. First, because I was trying to learn a new skill which required more human connections, and that couldn't have been better when I am not among the people. Doing something online wouldn't have worked for me. So this on-campus classes really helped me understand how I can communicate and convince people better. Second was part-time course. I did not have to quit my job, so that was one plus point for me. And the third one was the product labs, because that helped me understand not just from a development perspective where I would only focus on how to do the execution better, but whether the execution is valid or it can be done in a different way or not. That mindset shift happened because of the product lab, because I was able to work on my own ideas which I did not previously know how to fix them or bring them to life. I was able to do that from scratch in this product lab program, so that really helped me grow as a product manager or in the role of a product. So as part of my learning journey, the most exciting thing is meeting different people from different skill sets, backgrounds, and understanding why they think the way they think. So that is something which really fascinates me, knowing that there are different human brains which work differently, and at the same time you can actually reach the same goal of being a better leader. And second thing which I really enjoy is the fact that I'm able to come to a classroom environment after 5 years of my professional life. And although I'm not staying here thinking like a student and working like a professional, that is one thing which I really enjoy. One advice which I would want to give to all the aspiring leaders will be to start thinking like a leader, where you will first think about others first, and that's when you will be able to find out the opportunities and gaps that are making lives difficult for others. That's when you will be able to think about the possible solutions which can make their lives easier. And when you try to do that, don't just get paralyzed by your analysis, but rather start somewhere, evolve, make mistakes, correct them, and then one fine day you will realize that you and your idea both have become a success.